Hey you! Are you interested in writing musical theater but you don't know where to begin? Or have you already written some musical theater but you want a place to learn more about it? Are you looking for a supportive, collaborative community environment? A place where you can learn, experiment, connect with like-minded writers, and grow into your potential? Then I would love for you to come check out the Musical Theater Writing Collective. The Musical Theater Writing Collective is a 20-week course and community designed to help you learn and grow as musical theater writers in a warm and welcoming space. This course will teach you the fundamentals of writing for the musical theater while allowing your unique voice and vision to shine through. You will learn to face down your fears and hesitations, safe in the knowledge that there is a Zoom room full of folks ready to lift you up and to catch you if you fall. And by the end of this 20-week course, you will have new songs for your trunk, new friends and collaborators for life, and the firm knowledge that you can do this. To learn more and apply, head on over to michaelratty.com or just click the link in the description below. Feel free to reach out with questions at any time. I cannot wait to chat with you and to hear your unique voice very soon. Cheers!